Some chase noise, we chase horizons.
Remember when I got it at your house?
Come on! You don't need to ask any more about this trophy, which we waited so long to get.
We will always try to keep this trophy in our house.
Hi, little buddy! Come on! Stop making fun of us! We are already in Asia!
Shut up! We are still the best in this country!
The point of achievement, where we no longer need to worry about noisy things, we have sailed this far. We were not born for validation. In silence, we are the winners.